Hi, welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make doukissa. Doukissa is a Greek and Greek Cypriot chocolate and biscuit cake. It's super easy, it is no bake, you just put it in the fridge, basically a fridge cake. If you love chocolate, then this dessert is for you because it is rich and decadent, silky smooth and crunchy with every bite, and it is topped with a smooth silky ganache layer. I've recipe tested this dessert so many times. I've tried it with cream, which made my biscuits all fluffy. I tried it with evaporated milk and my biscuits were all soggy, but then I used condensed milk and they were perfect. The crunch is still there. I know condensed milk is really sweet, but I balance off the sweetness of the condensed milk with cacao powder, which is really bitter, so the two balance each other perfectly. So let's get started. I use these biscuits for my doukissa. They are a butter biscuit, but if you can't get them, don't worry. I have tested this recipe out with rich tea biscuits as well, and you can't tell the difference. If you want to try another type of biscuit, make sure it is no thicker than this, about 2 to 3 millimeters. Break 100 grams of your biscuits into small pieces and put them to one side. In another bowl, add 75 grams of room temperature butter, 4 tablespoons of cacao powder, and beat until silky smooth like this. But don't lick your finger, it will taste nasty and bitter, trust me. Then add 50 grams of icing sugar. We don't need too much sugar because the condensed milk is really sweet, so a little goes a long way. Now beat until all your icing sugar has been incorporated and looks like this. Basically the same as before, just a little lighter. Now add 175 grams of condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla and beat until it is mixed in well and your mixture looks silky smooth like melted chocolate cream. Now add in your broken biscuit pieces and stir them in so they are completely covered with chocolate. You can add other flavours to your doukissa as well, like lemon, orange zest and juice, nuts, liqueur like spoon sweets, brandy, like whatever tickles your fancy. But I haven't recipe tested other flavours yet, so I can't give you any quantities, but do experiment because that's how we all learn. Now the complicated bit. Line the bread tin with cling film. Try and get it as flat as possible. The cling film will keep moving, but stay with it. Now add your chocolate biscuit mix to your lined tin and with the back of a spoon, try to flatten it as much as possible. Cover the top with the extra cling film and push it down even more so there are no air pockets. My bread tin is large, so my dessert only takes up half of it long ways and upwards. You can make it thicker or longer by either doubling up my recipe or shaping it to your desired length and width. When you are happy with it, put it in the fridge for at least 5 hours, but if you can leave it overnight, even better. Before we serve our doukissa, let's make our silky smooth ganache. In a small pot or a briquet, add 150 grams of condensed milk and 60 grams of 70% dark chocolate and heat on a low heat until all your chocolate melts. Then take it off of the heat and give it a good stir. Take your doukissa out of the fridge, unwrap the cling film and place it on a wire rack that is sitting on top of a plate to catch the drips. Make sure your ganache is cool, then pour it all over your dessert. This ganache is a little thick, and because the dessert is cold, it will set the ganache quickly. So get a spoon and help the ganache along a bit. Look at this lovely shine. I like to cut my doukissa straight away when my ganache is still soft, but you can put it in the fridge for an hour or two to harden and then cut it. Try serving your doukissa with a nice cup of Greek tea or Greek coffee and then dig in. If you would like more no-bake dessert, click here, and for more Greek Cypriot dessert, click here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share, and if you want to keep up to date with all my videos, please subscribe below. Until next time, bye!